What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, but today I'm showing you something that has completely changed the way I create AI videos. In this video you will learn how to generate high quality AI videos for free, absolutely for free. You remove watermarks legally where supported. You don't need to do any external work. Then you can create both portrait and landscape videos, and even keep creating more videos every day without spending any money. If you are creating YouTube videos, shorts, TikToks, Facebook and Instagram reels, or client work, you're going to love this. Now let's jump straight into it. So today I'm going to show you guys three methods, in which two are currently available and the other one is being upgraded because this is what I use, and it is totally for free. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is Google Flow. So you just need to head on to your browser and then you type in Google Flow, then you search. So right here you will see a direct link to Google Flow. As you can see, I use this often and it's been highlighted, so I'm just going to click on this and then to take me right into Google Flow. So I have already signed in, that's why I wasn't prompted to log in with my Google account. But if you haven't signed in before, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account, and then that's it. So every day you'll be given 50 credits to use and create your videos. And also Google Flow is incredibly powerful, and one of my favorite features is that it gives free credit, and also you can decide to use several accounts for this, so there is no limit to an account in which you can use on a device. So every day your credit resets, so you can continue creating your awesome videos without paying. Then another thing I love is that you can choose exactly what format you want. So let's just jump right into it. Click on create new project and then you are in. So right here you would see the AI agent, and then I'm just going to set the parameters of what you're going to be creating. So over here you can choose to always allow the agent to ask for confirmation for generating the media, meaning once you try to generate your videos, it will ask you to cost so amount of credit. Should I go ahead? And then check yes all the time. And if you don't want that, you can always go and click on never. When you click on never, the agent will generate the videos automatically without asking for your permission. And then down here you see the image generation default. You have 16:9, 4:3, 1:1. That's if you're creating an image. But in this video we are talking about video, so head straight to the video generation settings, and then you see video generation default 16:9, which is the landscape, and 9:16, which is the portrait. So just choose any one of your choice. If you are doing YouTube videos, long form videos, you are going for 16:9, or if you are doing any other external videos generations, you go with 16:9. But if you're going for Instagram reels or shorts, you are going with 9:16, which is the portrait mode. And then this one x1 here means you're generating one, or x2, x3, x4 if you want to generate 4 at once. So each of them costs you a credit, and then you can choose the model you want to use. All right, so right now we're gonna just generate 9:16 for sample, right? So whatever works for you, you can decide to go with 0:9, but I'm just going to go with this. So whatever works for your project. You can also choose whether to include a visible watermark depending on the options available on your account, but I believe these options is general. You can decide to turn on or turn off watermark, but who would want to turn on watermark on our videos? So you can come over here and then you select you can see visible watermarking on or off. Mine is off, and you can leave that as off. So I don't think anybody will want to leave their watermark as on, and that's it. So you can generate your videos without any watermark. One other thing is that the video quality is super fantastic. If you've been following AI video generation recently, you've probably seen videos created with flow without even realizing it. If you use up your daily credits, simply wait for the next day's reset or use another account. Right now we're just going to go with a prompt for a test. So let's make use of this prompt. So we'll save our settings, now save, and then we type in our prompt. Okay, I have this prompt already ready to use, and then I'll just click on this and it will generate. Your generation comes with sound automatically, and which is something awesome. You can even add to your prompts on what you want the AI to say in your videos, the characters, you can make them talk, and you can do so many things on using Google Flow. So for now, I'm just showing you guys the tools, and maybe on my next tutorial, I'll show you guys more workflows, more guides on how you can use Google Flow. So right now, let's play our generated tools. The second tool is meta.ai. So you just need to type meta.ai over here, and then you are in. And honestly, this is also one of my favorite as well for generating AI video content, right? So within a few moments, Meta AI creates beautiful AI video just like Google Flow. All you just need to do is to add your prompts. But the difference here is that for you to generate a video, you need to add animate. Like you need to tap animate first before adding the first. If you don't do that, Meta.ai will generate your prompt as an image. But for Meta.ai to know that yes, this video that you want, you need to add animate before the prompt, just like this. So this is animate a cinematic astronaut walking through a futuristic city at sunset. Ultra realistic, dramatic lighting, camera slowly tracking forward. So with this, Meta.ai will know that yes, you want to generate a video, and then you click generate, or you click this arrow up, and then your video will be generated in a moment. Then there's one thing you should know about Meta.ai mainly, which is creating a videos is usually at default in portrait format. That's the 9:16, the vertical format, which is perfect for shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. And I would have clicked create just now, but there's something also you should know. Meta.ai video model is being upgraded. So if I click on create right now, it will tell me that it's being upgraded. But this is what I use most of the times, just like I use Google Flow. And Meta.ai is unlimited, it has no restriction. But the only thing is that there is a watermark, which I want to go about it also is very. You can still use Meta.ai once they'll finish upgrading their model, which is still something awesome. Alright, now what if you want to create a landscape video? Instead of generating your image inside Meta.ai, because once you do that, it's going to give you an output that is in vertical format. So to get a landscape video, you need to generate the image first using ChatGPT or using any other tool. But most of the times I use ChatGPT. You just need to come over to ChatGPT and then simply tell ChatGPT exactly what scenes you want and ask it to create the image as a 16:19 landscape format. So had it been I want to create an image of our astronaut, what I would do is just type my prompt, right, and then add 16:19 at the front, something like this. Okay, let me paste this prompt. As you can see, animate. All I did here was add an extra steps at the front, 16:19 landscape format, and then I'll click generate. Alright, so once ChatGPT is going to generate your image in a landscape format, and once it's done doing that, all you need to do is to download the image, and then you head back to Meta.ai and upload it. So if you upload this image in that same landscape format that ChatGPT generated, your video will come out in landscape format, right? So the trick is also very simple. If you want to generate a landscape video, you need to get an image with that frame size before pasting your prompt on Meta.ai. That's just for Meta.ai. Unlike Google Flow and the next one I'm going to show you, that has the steps, the parameters you need to set, or the guides you need to set before generating your videos. Right now, how do you remove the Meta.ai watermarks? Now, here is something many people don't know. When you download directly from Meta.ai, your video may include a watermark. Not may include, your video always include a watermark. So here is what you can do to remove that watermark. Instead of downloading directly from this Meta.ai website, what you should do is share the generated video as a Facebook reel or Instagram reel. So once you do this, once you do this, before you post it on Instagram or Facebook, you have the option to download it directly from Instagram reel or directly from Facebook reel. And once you've downloaded it through those method, your video will come without watermark. So this is what I do most of the time. So if I don't want that default Meta.ai watermark, I share them as Instagram, and then via that Instagram reel page, I download them to my device, which is pretty awesome. It works all the times. Now, also keep in mind that platform behavior can change over the time, so always respect each platform's terms of service and any applicable licensing requirements. This little workflow has saved me a lot of time and money. The third tool is also another AI tool, just like the others that I have mentioned. So the third tool is Leonardo.ai. You just need to type Leonardo.ai on your browser. So come over here and type Leonardo.ai. Search. So this is Leonardo.ai. It also gives you free credit to use per day, and it's trusted just like Google Flow. It's not unlimited like Meta.ai, but it actually does a lot. So then you click on Start Now, and then you sign up with your email. Alright, so over here I have actually signed in. That's why I wasn't required to sign up, right? So if you haven't signed in before, to prompt you to use either your Google account or your Microsoft account, you just need to click on my Google account, which is pretty much very easy, and then you'll be signed in directly to the website. Now over here you see image, video, audio, 3D, blueprint, upscaler. You just have to choose whichever one you want to do, and specifically for this video we are focused mainly on video, so I want to click on video and then start generating whatever we want. So that's pretty much the three cool and awesome free AI tools you can use to streamline your AI generating workflows. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification, because I'll be sharing more AI tools, workflows, and tutorials that can save you time and money. So let me know in the comment section which AI video generator you want to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the